name is Neil Montero. I'm the microgravity research manager at SpaceForge. So SpaceForge is an advanced materials company, which means that we make the sort of base materials or base wafers that go into the semiconductor industry. So if you think of a chip, that eventually has to be made out of something. That something is what we make at SpaceForge. If you make one of these chips on Earth, there's always going to be full of defects. What SpaceForge is doing is taking those materials and making them in space, where the ultimate product that you get is of perfect quality.
I'm Annie Matthew. I am an experimental researcher working on semiconductors at SpaceForge. So yeah, this is what we are doing. So we are building a reactor here, which will end up in space.
Well, we're a real mix. So we've got a lot of people that have come to SpaceForge from local industries. And yeah, a lot of those people have come from the surrounding area, so South Wales in particular. We also recruit quite heavily from further afield. So we've got a lot of international talent here. And there's still about 20-25 different nationalities within SpaceForge. We're very much attracting talent in from many places into Cardiff and South Wales.
I did my PhD at Cardiff University, and I wanted to do something different than academia. When I got a job in Cardiff, it's exactly what I was looking for.
Wales has some major advantages for businesses being here, and one of the big ones is you've got a city like Cardiff. It's a really nice place to live, but on top of that you've got a lot of educated workforce kind of ready and willing in the area. The universities that we have here are pumping people out who are very capable and can establish a workforce very quickly.
Wales has a semiconductor cluster, so getting help from other companies which is at the research stage or ahead of us is really helpful, and Wales is a great place for that.
I think it's very important that SpaceForge engages with the Government of Wales because we rely on the people that live here to make up the workforce.
So here we are doing challenging research, let's just say, because nobody actually ever done making diamonds or wide bandgap semiconductors in space before. So this is a new challenge for me. If you just love it, go for it.